So what is the future of GenAI into an industry, right? And many people are talking about is this will eat a job or not like this, correct? Will it will replace all these jobs for software professionals and others, right? So it is not the case, I can tell you. So there were a recent technical conversation with Mr. Mukesh Ambani with one of that leader, or you can say the CEO, right? I just forget the name. So they
Gen
were talking about particularly more than 2 lakhs, right? You can say AI professionals, especially Gen AI professionals, right? Which is basically needed in down the line after some time. And Mukesh Ambani is basically trying to say that we can make this India as a hub, or you can say as a manufacturing factory for this Gen AI or maybe the AI experts. So yes, so is a Jensen Hung. His name of this guy is Jensen Hung. Correct. So Jensen Hung, and it is a very, you can maybe listen, search for that Jensen Hung conversation with the Mukesh Ambani and then talk about the vision for that, what this Gen AI can do and where they can use this AI people like this. And there are many such other, you can say, AI innovations and how it is impacting to an industry. So there is a lot of requirement will be keep on coming, right? And a lot of experts required into a different industry and different roles and responsibility also, right? So it is not like it is eating that jobs, but there are a lot many jobs will be getting created for this Gen AI, right? And there is also a concept of keep on coming for artificial general intelligence. So there is a lot many other work. It is a much more advanced level of a generative AI or maybe a strong AIs like that, which can help it to you for performing so many tasks which is human can perform it using that cognitive abilities also, right? So many such places into the task is generally people are performing at human performs, right? That is basically. And nowadays people are developing agents. So AI agents can take and perform a multiple. So I guess HubSpot is one of that site which is providing helping is for all the social media and funnels like that. So it can, if you have a multiple agents over there, it can also do some kind of a research on the LinkedIn for your profile and all other tasks. It can do it, suggest some ideas, and you can give some insights or can take an action. Maybe if related to Facebook, maybe it is related to optimization for your profile, visibility, and many such things you can perform. So multiple agents. So people are have started developing AI agents. Correct. So AI agents can one agent can run into one particular area, give insights and help it to you. Multiple agents can perform into different areas and evaluate and help it to you from the different sites. Correct. So people have started creating an AI agents, right? If you are talking about Salesforce, maybe, or maybe if you are talking about many such other companies, they also started developing, right? So basically this evaluating or innovation using the GenAI, developing these agents, and they will perform some task like that, correct? So AI agents is basically is also keep on coming to perform some different tasks, and people are using and adopting this concept to, you can say, modernize of their products or providing some of the better solutions also, right? So the next another 2 years you will see artificial general intelligence also will be leading to an industry, right? And there is a lot many things can be done using that using this Gen AI, or maybe you can say the entire AI concept. And there is a lot many openings also will be keep on coming. So if these industry leaders are talking about creating at least, right, 2 lakhs openings, right, and 2 lakhs people will be needed down the line. So definitely these many workforce or people who are really well prepared or learn these skills, they will be always in demand and will be getting hired very easily. Correct. So you need to understand this technology is not is your enemy, right? It will be basically is your, what we can say, is your helper, right? Or maybe it can help it to you, and it is one of the weapon which you can use it for your fight.